Alright, what is up, people? I'm Muss McMusic. I know, sick intro, right? So, after receiving messages from viewers, /subscribers, saying that I should speak in English in my videos, because they couldn't understand a word I was saying. So I said yes, sure. Now, starting from this video forwards, I will be providing my commentaries in English. And with that being said, welcome back to Warframe, part 2 of Warframe. Now in the first part of the game, we escaped from that planet. We got all these things on our body, on our leg, our arm. Now we have to go to that objective over there. Let's just begin. Okay, we have to interact with this thing over here. Press X to install segment. Install segment. What's happening now?
You honor Aorus. Now I can supply the operator with better monitored firepower. Oh, the violation. Those have been looted as well.
I'm really new to this game. I don't know what to do. You know what, let's just go. We have to go up, back up. We'll have to interact with this navigation. Ooh, this looks good. So, restore ship's comms. Okay, let's do this. Restore ship's comms. Faction Grenier. Assignment spy.
The segment you need is in a nearby data vault. Infiltrate the vault and retrieve the segment.
The Aorus is working, breaking through. I see the shadows of your mind.
Enemy ahead. I forgot how to play this game. Select V, change weapons. Wow, that's laggy.
This data vault is equipped with a variety of security measures. How you defeat those measures is up to you.
Oh, I started to remember. Oh, that's laggy as hell. What's this? Nope, didn't work. I got this. Nope, don't work.
You're nearing the console. Trigger the alarms now and they will start destroying the data.
Avoid alerting any enemies patrolling the vault. So I need crossbow.
That's cut.
Data extracted. They won't even know it's gone. The segment is yours. Head to extraction.
As every moment passes, the Aorus burrows deeper. revealing you.
Okay, head to extraction, head to extraction. Running, running, running. Sorry, dog. Run, 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 run. Okay, done with that mission. Pistol, rifle, mayday.
Orbiter Void Cloak engaging. Welcome back, Operator. The Operator has recovered a segment.
Install it now.
Ordis patiently awaits its installation.
Get communications online. I must analyze what Vors Ascaris is doing to your Warframe. This technology is beyond the Grineer. It must be Corpus in origin.
Systems engaging. I suppose this will do. Ordis is grateful.
Okay, press X to go to the
The
market.
Operator is now connected with other Tenno in the system. The Operator may now contact black market scumbags. Contact arms dealers.
Excellent idea, Ordis. Tenno, we need to make contact with a Corpus defector sympathetic to the Tenno cause. They will, of course, require compensation.
You see what Ordis is referring to, Operator?
In this case, compensation will not be credits. It will be freedom. I've updated navigation. You will need to break him out of a Grineer gulag.
Okay, next mission is liberate the imprisoned arms dealers. Okay, let's do that. Where is it? Where is it? Liberate. Okay, this one. So, how are you liking the game? Is it good? Is it bad? Leave a comment.
The arms dealer is named Darvo. He's being held in the prison block on the other side of this factory complex.
Okay, as I was saying, if you like the video, maybe if you don't, tell me how to improve it. Leave a comment. Okay, no one's here yet.
Darvo is out for himself, but he is sympathetic toward the Tenno. The Grineer must have found out.
The Aorus is working, breaking through. I see the shadows of your mind.
Don't let Vor distract you. Focus on the mission. It's our only hope of figuring out this link with him.
Wow, there's a lot of shots. That's cool. That slows us down time. Do that. Wow, I suck. Use this reset alarms. Oh, yeah. Who's shooting? Oh, red 2 now, oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, headshot, headshot.
This is the prison block. If you can avoid detection by the warden, it may be easier to get Darvo out. Bypass the security so we can enter.
Okay, bypassing security. This area is heavily fortified. Survey the area and proceed with caution. I see one. So one over here. Okay, there. Okay, one down. Two. Three. Oh, snap. Nope. Don't do that. Wow, this game is bright. Really, really bright. How many shots can you take? To use this console to hide security. You're done.
Search these cells for Darvo. He has to be here somewhere.
That was quick. Nope, not here. Well, this one.
I owe you for
Yes.
this, General. I will get my entourage to meet us in orbit once we're clear of this mess.
Follow me.
Extraction is ready. Remember, your success here depends on getting Darvo out of there, alive.
Okay,
The
door open.
Lotus must be desperate to send you fetching greedy fools from the corpus.
Let's go, let's go. Hey, you, come here. Let us go. Okay. Don't you shoot at me.
Now the Aorus has burrowed deep enough to give me influence. Shall
Get
we
out.
see how your shields work?
The Ascaris is letting Vor control your shield. We must figure out how to remove it. Avoid taking damage while I try and block him.
Always take the high ground. Wow, this is bright. Really, really bright. Nope, not this way. Oh, you blind. You blind, dude, you blind. Nope, wrong way. Okay, finish with that mission. That was easy. Really, really easy.
Ordis will be delighted to show you how to upgrade your arsenal. May I recommend fire?
Okay, let's try go here. Okay, let's do another mission. This mission is locate the foundry segment. Okay, locate the foundry segment. Where is it? This one. Let's go.
Tenno, we may have a problem. The colony is unresponsive. Get to the surface so we can see what's going on. I was afraid of this. The Grineer are here, and I cannot find any signs of living colonists. You still have a job to do. Find the foundry segment. This was once a prosperous, independent colony, until the Grineer arrived.
The creams fear you, but I will show them. Their love will return when I deliver you to them.
Tenno, are you there? The signal cannot be boosted any further. Hurry, we are running out of time.
Okay, no one here. Oh, there's one. Sit still. Okay, down. You need to shut up. Pick up foundry segment.
Good.
Okay, done.
Your ship is one step closer to completion. Now, there is one more thing you need to do. Eliminate all Grineer and provide justice for the colonists.
Okay.
Soon the worm will be in your spine, and I will control this warframe of yours. I will purge your doting mother and bring you home.
Oh, nice. Okay, need to go up this way. Back up. Put down.
What's
Any more this side? Nope. Who's shooting? Who's shoot? Is it done? Nope, not yet. Not done yet. Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Go for the head, aim for the head. Oh, didn't work. Are you done? Okay, not this way. Let's go this way. Okay,
Mission
that's
complete.
done. The mission is a
Excellent work,
success.
Tenno.
Okay, let's do this one thing. Foundry.
Foundry restored. Here, the operator will craft many powerful weapons and tools to exact revenge for dismantling me. To expand your arsenal.
Okay, I think that'll be enough for today. If you liked the video, drop the video a like. If you didn't, drop a dislike. If you want to see more, subscribe. Maybe share the video. Also, follow me on Instagram and my page on Facebook. It's down in the description. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.